Hey guys, welcome to my channel. Today I have my fall FabFitFun box. Look at the box. I love the design, all of the colors. I love these boxes so much. They are so useful. I always reuse them and use them to send box swaps. I use them to store all kinds of different things inside. I just love these boxes. So let's get into it. And I'm an annual subscriber, so I get to choose some of the products. I can't remember everything that I chose because it was so long ago. And oh yeah, one thing I wanted to show was the inside of the box. Just ever cute. So they always include this like magazine style like book and Megan Trainor's on the cover, and these are actually quite fun to read. It's got all of the products and just different things, like fashion things, horoscopes, and yeah. So I always enjoy reading these. So I'm gonna keep that handy because all the prices of the products are inside. So I know there's tons of variations, and I'll show you the different variations as we go along. So I got this HelloFresh $80 gift card. So if one of you would like to use that, you can use it. You get $80 off. So that's a great deal. And then I got some kind of coupon. So if you would like to sign up for FabFitFun, you can use that code. And you get $15 off your first box. So first item is wrapped up. And I remember choosing this. It's a lunch box, and I actually don't have a lunch box, and I thought that this was so cute. It's Kate Spade, and it's so cute. The polka dots, it says out to lunch. It's got a gold zipper. And this can fit so much, and I love that it's got a handle. So that is adorable. So let's find that. So this is worth $30, and you could have gotten that. You could have gotten some detox pads, a striped wallet, and a twine cheese board. I was actually quite tempted to pick this out. It looks so cute. But I'm really happy that I picked this out because this is actually quite useful. So I am very excited to use that. Next, this is Trestique. I don't know if that's how you pronounce it. These are mini eye essentials. So you get a brow pencil, a shadow crayon, you get 2 shadow crayons, and an eye pencil. And I love how on the back it shows like how to get a certain look. So that is cute. I'm not going to open it, but the shades are Americano. That's the brow pencil. One of the shadow crayons is Morimoto Pink Pearl, and then the other shadow is Kona Coffee, and then the mini eye pencil is Santorini Black Sand. So I'm really excited about this. I love makeup, so that's why I chose that. So this here is worth $48, and The other choices were a salt and pepper milk, which I almost chose that. A hair towel wrap, which I heard amazing things about, and a body boost gel. So then we have Human and Kind's cute packaging. So this is a body souffle. So let's smell this. It's got a seal, so I'm just going to open that up. It smells really good. It's very light. So let's find it. This is worth $18, and this is a huge bottle. So this is an item that everyone got. So then I have an Amika hair straightener. I remember choosing this. Yeah, I think it's so cool that we get a hair tool, and I love the pouch. I love this color. That looks awesome. This is worth $80, and that was a choice item. So you could either get the hair straightener, you could get a travel yoga mat, a scarf, and yeah, those, wait, it says a teeth whitening kit. And I'll just kind of show you this again. All the pictures and everything are kind of like scattered. Everything's not so organized like it used to be, so it's kind of hard to like find all the items, but yeah, that's the products. And then there's some more products on the other side. And then we have Aveda Damage Remedy Daily Hair Repair. And it says instant visible repair, protects from heat styling. So this will go well with the straightener, and this is actually quite large as well. So this is worth $30, and everyone got this product. So then I have the Better Skin Company Better Skin Lava Magic Cleanser Scrub Mask. So this is pretty interesting. I love multi-use products. So this is worth $32, and it was a choice item. So you can either get that, you can get Bobble Bar Fair ear crawlers, and I was actually tempted to get that, but I wasn't sure if I could pull it off. And then Cosmetics Pure C, so a nighttime serum. So I believe, okay, we have 2 more products. So this is Aromatherapy Deep Relax Roller Ball, restful and tranquil. I love perfume. Oh my gosh, that smells really good, and that's what it looks like. That smells so good. I am going to stick this into my purse. I am so excited about that. I love perfume. And let's see. So this is worth $29, and you can either get that, you can get Wander Beauty Baggage Claim Gold Eye Mask. I almost chose those, but I have so many of them. They are pretty amazing. And then the other choice is Skin & Co. Roma Truffle Therapy Face Toner. So yeah, that's what that looks like. So one last item, I'm just double checking. Harper & Ari Exfoliating Sugar Cubes. Juice Cleanse. And I love this container. Yeah, so that's interesting. It smells so amazing. It's very fruity. I love that you get so many of them. So this is worth $16, and I just kind of like want to read it a little bit. It says, these delightful sugar cubes are a great way to exfoliate and nourish your skin in the shower, all while leaving a yummy scent. And this is a product that everyone received. So that is everything that I got in my FabFitFun. I got an awesome box. I'm excited for everything. And yeah, so I hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you next time. Bye.